Hey everyone, I'd like to show you my 72 Chevrolet pickup truck that I've been working on. It's been my project. It's original 307 truck with 3-speed on the column, but now it's got a 406 small block Chevy. It's got new inner fenders, new fenders on the truck. Been doing a little bit of body work, priming the bottom of the hood, priming the top side. It's got new fenders on it. Started out as a pretty rough truck. It had the floorboards and all pretty good. Still needs a few panels. I gotta try to find a bed for it. It's ate up real bad under that bed liner. It's got a brand new 2.5-inch exhaust. With thrush 2 chambers on it. They sound good. Alright, get in here and start it up for everybody. Now this is a cold start. It is idling really low. And that's my 72 Chevy. Thank you for watching.